I'm on the road again, this time visiting a first-time destination, and I'm excited to take you along. Well, this is Botanical Beach, another BC park. It's a wilderness trail, part of the Juan de Fuca trail system. And this one goes down to the beach. It's a 1 kilometer hike down to the beach and 1.8 kilometer hike down to Botany Bay, which I won't be doing today. This is just a quick stop. It's not an overnight camp or anything. I just wanted to see it. It's the first and decide if it's a place that I want to come back to. Like I said, this is the first time down here, so I don't know what to expect. It's a little cool, very shady, as you can see. A lot of old growth, and it's got that sort of tunnel-like effect down here, which I totally love. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but it definitely is mine. And on this trail, this Juan de Fuca trail, it's very long. I think it's about 120 kilometers or so. The backpackers come through, and they can overnight in designated spots through this trail here. So real wilderness camping. Not my cup of tea, but I see a lot of people doing it. A lot of women doing it too. I'm more of a camper van gal, as you've seen. Look at this. It is absolutely magical walking through this area here. You can hear there's like a stream or a waterfall over there on that side there. I'm not going to go investigate because I might slide off the edge since I don't know what's going on. But coming through here, it's so serene and quiet. And some of you might be wondering, well, aren't you worried about things jumping out in front of you? And surprisingly, no. I don't know why. Maybe I should be right now. But not feeling the pressure. There's a bench sitting right there. Maybe it's a good place to just hang out. Turn the camera around for On previous videos, I've mentioned the spirituality I feel among the trees out here, and it continues to grab me. It's my mind, my body, my soul, and I invite you to come down and try this for yourself. It speaks to you. When you're walking down through places like this, it's a good time to say thank you. 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 I even enjoy watching the little rivulets of water running. And I get to enjoy things like that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Do you like surprises? Well, if you do, find yourself down here at Botanical Beach on Vancouver Island. This place just blows your mind. Everywhere you look, babbling brooks, tiny little waterfalls, and when you get down to the beach, well, you'll have to find out for yourself. And so the whole point of Botanical Beach and this walk down here was to get to this point. This is the end of this trail. Or maybe the trail goes around. No, the trail probably keeps going, sorry. Of course it does, because it's the Vancouver Trail. But we are going down here. Do you hear that? Do you hear the sound of the crashing waves? I just have to be careful trying to film and not go sliding down on my behind because it's kind of muddy. So maybe what I should do is just do this. Coming down on the wood. Ooh, kind of still spongy. And not sure if the tide's in or out at this point. I'm not very good at that just yet. Ooh. Says, beware, large surprise rogue waves can sweep you out to sea. Can wash over the entire beach even on a calm day. Keep your eyes on the ocean and have a planned escape route. Well, that's not good, so I gotta keep my eyes open because apparently some unsuspecting wave can take me out and I'm gone forever. But it's just gorgeous right now. I'll try to get in a little closer while I keep my eye out for an unsuspecting rogue wave. So far, so good. Well, look at it back here. Just all kinds of things going on back here. Look at that. Oops, let me just... Some seaweed washed in. So it's her beachcomber's heaven back here, it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. You just have to watch out for those unsuspecting rogue waves, even on a calm day. Now I know. So this is Botanical Beach. And it's only a short walk down, a kilometer down from the car park. Quiet though. I thought there'd be more people down here, but hey. I certainly love the sound of those waves though. It's beautifully sparkling. So there you go. You're hanging out with me on another Mentor Ham in the Van Vanlife weekend. And subscribe and press the notification button so you don't miss any upcoming episode. The warmer temperatures are here, so more interesting adventures, longer trips. You don't want to miss it. Have a great week.